Well, we're trying to get up to this hike, and it's pretty steep. It's a dirt road, and it's very snowy, and we got
How you doing thus far?
Me?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm great.
She's got the poles out. That was a huge ordeal.
Yeah, putting these things together is pretty confusing, huh?
Yeah.
We got it.
I just feel like there should be a bear out there, but there's not. That I see at least. If I could see one like that far down, that'd be hype.
Like you see down there,
Yeah.
so far away.
That's crazy. Hi, Katie.
Hi. We're making good time.
No, we're not.
We're on track with the estimate.
Well, that's good then.
I think we'll make it back before dark.
Currently, we are doing about 30 minutes a mile, right?
Yeah.
So that's not bad.
Not great.
I don't know. We're enjoying it, you know? That's what you like. That's the whole point of hiking, is you get to enjoy some of the scenery and
Take it all in.
yeah. We're at like 4.5 miles. We got like, I don't know, what, a mile left? Probably.
Maybe, yeah.
But I need a break. Oh my God. Snack time. Break time. Get my legs a rest.
It's pretty exhausting.
It is.
The whole thing is just like straight up, I feel like.
Yeah, it's like, I think 3,700 foot elevation gain. But, I mean, really, really cool views the entire time, but yeah.
Hi, Brace.
Hi, Catherine.
How you doing?
This feels so good, sitting on this rock. All right?
Yeah.
With my legs outstretched. Oh my gosh. This feels so good. I looked it up. We have less than a mile to go.
Not too shabby.
This is crazy. Take a break. 5 minutes later. Not even 5 minutes. 30 seconds later, I'm still exhausted. You doing okay?
Yeah.
And I looked at the map. It looks like we're only like halfway. I don't know what's going on.
We don't know if we're halfway or almost there. I'm really hoping that we're halfway.
Yeah. Coming up to a little stream or waterfall up here. I can hear it. Oh, I can see it. That's cool. And it goes all the way down in the there. That'd be so cool. Andy is tired.
I am tired.
I am also tired.
not much of a complainer normally, but
We
this is
have-
really hard.
I feel like we've been walking for another 20 minutes. Maybe not, I don't know. But we like haven't moved at all. This is really tough. Decent amount of freezing cold water. Looks like it just kind of drops off. We haven't walked up there yet, so come with us and find out. Maybe we just cross there, probably. There's tracks up here too. Oh, nice. All right, Katie. Easy peasy. Ah!
No.
Okay, dude, what are you doing?
I put my freaking snowshoes on. I got these thick new snowshoes. Now I can really use them. Oh, that was a little cold.
I bet that feels so nice, though.
It does, but I got a bunch of snow in my pants. Should have zipped my coat first.
We have like half a mile left. And Katie is deciding to do a wardrobe change, so. Pretty cool out here.
Snowshoes are making a big difference.
Yeah.
This is really missing out.
No, your hands are frozen
The
because you had to change your shoes.
was well worth it.
Tell you what, everyone,
I'll teach you.
I'm shot. Absolutely shot. I was joking on our way up, and I was like, hey, wonder if we're hiking up to that thing right up there. We're like almost there.
Yeah.
I just said it as a joke. I didn't think that was even a possibility. We just passed these people that were coming down. On the map, it says we have like half mile left. They said we have 2.5 miles. No shot, I can't do it.
Maybe this is something else.
I hope so, maybe, I don't know. Because I can't do 2.5 miles. I'll have to turn around. I know. Yeah, and it's the sun's setting in like an hour and a half. And we have been hiking for about 3.5, 4 hours. So we might be hiking in the dark, which I really don't want to do. All right, well, bad news. We didn't make it. We are calling it. It says we still have 4,000 feet to go. It said that for the last hour, and it's just, the snow is so deep, and the sun's going down. It's gonna get super cold. I don't want to be hiking another, I don't even know, 7 miles we've done, probably, back. And so we gotta call it, which really sucks. I wanted to go see the lake, but I'm exhausted, and better to play it safe. Even though we didn't make it, awesome view. Pretty cool hike too. Yeah, we did hike to basically the top of this mountain, so it's pretty cool. I think we're gonna stop, have a snack, enjoy ourselves for about 20 minutes before we head back down so we don't get caught in the dark. Making our way back down, faces past something, something, I'm homebound. Da-na-na-na-na-na. Ba-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na.
Was it everything you dreamed it'd be? I think it exists.
I don't think so.
Really?
I didn't see it. Well, it's a good thing that we decided to come back down when we did, because as you can see, we've basically lost all daylight, and
We're not even to the trail.
we're not even there. Yeah,
But
so
we're really close.
yeah.
I think.
Yeah, we got like a half mile to go till our van, till our home, But there was another basically 2.5 miles up. We would have been just coming down now and basically pitch black. So, just good call by us.
Well, we made it back. Bryce's hooks are literally, okay, so these weren't in our van tour because we put them up after the van tour. And we use them to hold our shoes normally. But all our clothes were all wet and snowy. Now we're hanging them up there.
They're working pretty good.
Really amazing, honestly. You're amazing.
Thank you. My legs are shot. I'm shot. I'm hungry. I've been eating Sour Patch Kid. I ate some banana bread. Now I'm making some pasta. Some mosh posh of food.
Dinner of champions.
That hike tore me up.
Yeah. We're on the struggle bus, but these raviolis are going to make you a whole new person. I could feel it.
What are you having for dinner?
Nice.
Good job hiking today, Katie, and good job cleaning the kitchen. Now everybody wants to say goodbye, so say goodbye to everybody on YouTube. Until next time.
Bye, YouTube. Until next time.
Thanks for watching.